Hey guys, how you doing? It's Ron here with Tech Tips to Go. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up files from your MacBook Pro or your MacBook Air to an external drive. I'm going to go through everything on how to set up your external drive and then just how to simply move over files and create a desktop shortcut or a shortcut on your MacBook. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is obviously plug in your external drive. As you can see right now, I'm running a Samsung T5. And once your Samsung T5 or your external device is plugged in, what you want to do is come over to this icon over here at the top right and just type in disk utility. And when you see disk utility, just double click on it. Now that's going to open up every external device that you have connected to your MacBook Pro or your MacBook Air. It's going to actually even show you your disk volume of your Mac. So I'm running a 2018 MacBook Pro, and it's got 1 terabyte, and as you can see, I only have 202 gig free. I do a lot of 4K videos, so I thought 1 terabyte SSD was going to be fine for me, and you know, within a month I started actually running out of room, so that's why I got the Samsung T5. And I'm going to show you how fast the Samsung T5 is in terms of reading and writing. I would only recommend it. Samsung T5's solid state drive, so it's an SSD drive, 1 terabyte, and it's I've been nothing but happy with it. So anyways, let's get to it. So here's your Samsung T5. It's an external device. It's going to detect it. So the first thing you want to do is just left click on it, and then over here you can erase. That's the first thing you want to do, is erase it. And basically, if you're coming from a Windows background, it's the same thing as formatting. So what you want to do, and this is recommended, you can name it whatever you want, and in the format you're just going to leave it as exFAT, and then all you're going to do is click erase, and that's it. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to get into other more details, but once you do see it here, what you can do is you can unmount it, you can eject it, but what I'd recommend is when you're working with your external device, always make sure, get in the habit of ejecting. So after you had your Samsung erased or you had it formatted, the first thing you want to do is add a desktop shortcut just so you could access it easier instead of always going to the Finder and so on. So what I like to do is come over here. If you don't see Go, you want to go to Finder, either press Command, or if you don't see Go, just come over here, press Command, or just scroll up to Go. And what you want to do is come over to computer, and underneath computer you're going to see your main MacBook Pro, and you're going to see all of the related drives that are here. So as you can see, I've got my Samsung T5 over here, my solid state drive already as a shortcut. So what you want to do is you just want to drag and drop it over to your desktop, and then you'll have that sitting there all the time now. So now I'm going to show you how quick the Samsung T5 is, especially if you're working with Final Cut Pro and a lot of large 4K video files. I want to show you how fast it is to move large files over to the Samsung T5. So I haven't done this in about a week, so I'm just going to go over to my movies folder, and I'm just going to go over here, and let me just expand this a little bit so we can see. And I just want to see the actual size, some of the large files that we're working with. So we have this file. You know what? We created a couple of videos last night. So this is barcode scanning file, that movie that we made, or another YouTube video. So I'm just going to take these files, that we just created, and I'm just going to save. Let's just do get info. So let's look at this. We got about 1.6, maybe 2.3, maybe over 3 gigs of files. And I want to show you how fast this is when I just drag and drop them over to my Samsung T5. So it takes about 5 seconds. Look how fast that was. And just mind you, it's not connected USB. I actually have it connected to a Type-C port. So the Samsung T5, it works well with your new MacBook Pros if you're running like 2018 or higher, because it has a Type-C connection. And you saw how fast that was. That's 3 gig in 5 seconds. So it's great when you're working with large video files. So anyways, I'm just going to close this and I'm going to delete these files, move to trash. And that's it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this. I make combination of videos from how-tos to cryptocurrency, and that's kind of like my side hobby and passion. I like to explore cryptocurrencies. But anyways, there's a lot of how-to videos on Mac, Final Cut Pro. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.